Hello everyone, I am so excited to invite you to join me for my brand new 10-day yoga challenge, which begins January 1st. This is the Feel Better, Move Better Yoga Reboot, designed to help you kick off a brand new year by feeling better and moving better in body and mind. This challenge is completely free to join. It is open to absolutely everyone and suitable for all levels. And all you have to do to sign up is click the first link in the description box right below this video. By doing so, each day you will receive an all-new yoga practice between 15 and 20 minutes, as well as some additional tips and tricks, and an exclusive meditation video as a bonus designed to accompany this challenge. So start the year out right by doing something just for you. Even just a few minutes of yoga each day can really make a difference in how you feel and move in body and mind. So click the first link right below the video to get started and leave me a comment to let me know that you'll be joining in. And I look forward to meeting you on the mat.